Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have my Canon G7X Mark II here, and I'm going to show you how to hook this up directly to your HD TV. I'm going to show you how to hook it up. We're going to take some photos and take some videos, and we're going to replay it back on the TV as well. Now, the first thing I want to note is what kind of cable you need, and basically you need something like this right here. This is a micro HDMI to a standard HDMI. Micro HDMI, okay? This is a micro, this is not a mini HDMI. And when you open up the side here, we see the ports here on your G7X. You can see the bottom here. The bottom here, that is the micro HDMI, which basically you plug into here and here. Now this one is relatively cheap. I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link below where I got this, but this is a 6-footer here, but it comes in all different other sizes as well. Just make sure if you guys go out and get this cable here, make sure it's a micro HDMI to HDMI. You don't want a mini, okay? This one here is a mini. This one here works on my Canon 750 or TSI DSLR. So it's a different connector, okay? This one here is a mini. Again, you need a micro. So let me go ahead and plug this into my camera first, and then I'll plug it into my TV here. All right, so it's already hooked up to my camera, to my TV. It's already on the correct HDMI port. The thing is, once you hook it up, you have to turn on your camera. Then what you want to do is make sure you're on the correct HDMI port. Go to your remote and press on source or input. And just make sure it's on the correct HDMI. The only one that I have highlighted is HDMI 2, so that's the only one that I can connect to anyway. And you can see that we have the live footage here. Now, the only thing I want to note is your viewfinder is not going to work that's on the camera, because your viewfinder is actually on the TV itself. Let me just go ahead and move this camera, and you can see that the viewfinder is actually my entire TV now. So the first thing here, I'll take a photo, then I'll do a video, and then we'll do a playback here. Let me just move the camera up here, and we'll take a photo of the ceiling here. All right, there we go. And then we're going to go ahead and take a quick video here. Let me go ahead and turn this on to video. All right, so we're on video mode now. You can see the live footage here. And then we'll go ahead and record a video. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Hello. Testing. Going to go ahead and turn that off now. And now we're going to go ahead and review the footage, okay? So let me go back into the playback here. And of course, you can see the video here. And here's the photo I took. So let's go ahead and start with the video, because you can actually hear the audio come out directly from the TV as well. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Hello. Testing. Okay, so you saw that, and again, the audio will come out directly from the TV speakers itself. And then let me go ahead and go back here, and then we'll see this photo I just took of the ceiling here. And there you go. Pretty simple to do, pretty much like plug and play. Let me go ahead and just open this up here again. Let me just show you again. Remember, guys, it's this one that's on the bottom here, okay? This is a micro HDMI. So that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, if you guys still have issues, if you connect this your camera to the TV and you still have issues, what you may want to try to do is a restore to factory default on your GX7. I had an issue with that on my other, it was like a Canon 750D or T6i. For the life of me, I could not get it on live view on the TV until I finally did a factory reset, or reset it back to factory defaults. Plugged everything in and it fired up right away. So anyways, if you guys still have trouble, go ahead and comment below. I'll see if I can help you. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you on the next one.